Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are unboxing the JV35 anti-mite vacuum cleaner from JV. This is a vacuum cleaner that you use for mostly textile materials such as sofa, mattresses, carpets, rugs, anything like that. You want to use this because this will remove all the fine dust that you can find within the mattress. Right, let's get back into it and let's start unboxing this. This vacuum cleaner normally has a blue light that will destroy the bacteria inside the mattress. So if you have any allergies or anything like that, this is absolutely a must buy. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, right off the bat, there's the Hoover, or the cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Really nicely packed. And it should be an instructions manual at the bottom. Let's try and get this. There we go. Right, so we have an instruction manual, I believe. Let's check out what's in here. Okay, there's some sort of brush, and then you have the instructions manual, which is in different languages. Okay, let's check out the Hoover. That's a really nice looking Hoover. And this has a European plug. Right, yeah, that's the Hoover. As you can see here, it has three functions: the UV function, the tap, which just basically taps the mattress so it gets more dust out, and the vacuum. So this is 700 watts power, so it's a strong vacuum. Yeah, let's test it out. Alright guys, so let's actually test this and see how this works. I'll try it first on my sofa. Check that out, guys. That's quite a lot of dust for a sofa. Wow. So you saw how much dust I've collected from the sofa only. Look at that. Okay, let's just empty this and see how much dust is it actually in there. What the hell? Yeah, look at that dust. Look at the dust, guys. There's so much dust. Look, it's a very fine dust. If you can see, it's not usual dust. Wow, that's only from the sofa. This time I will try to see how much dust I can get from the big rug. Let me just turn on the light. So I'll see how that goes. I'll let you know in a few seconds. What the hell? Look at that. That's from the rug, pardon me. That's a lot. Let's see how much there is on a white napkin. Right guys, that's what I have only from the rug. It's quite a big rug, like 3 meters by 2 I think, or something like that. But look at that, and I already hoovered today with a normal hoover. So far I'm very happy with the hoover. Let's try the mattress now. I'll start hoovering first the pillows, and then we'll go for the mattress, and we'll see how this goes. So this is the most used room, I would say. The other room is not that used, that's why it probably wasn't that much dust. But let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so we just finished. Let's pop it on a piece of paper. Sorry about this, the noise, it starts raining. Okay, so that's the dust that came from the actual mattress and pillows. I think it's a lot from the pillows, which is a bit weird because you sleep on that, so that can cause allergies. Alright guys, let me tell you what I think. I think you should definitely get this hoover. This is really worth it, especially if you have a pet or if you have children, and if they keep sneezing, you know, maybe they're developing an allergy or something for dust. So it's definitely get it, you know, try it out. Hoover your pillows, your mattress, your carpet and stuff, and comment down below, let me know how that goes. The actual hoover costs around £100 I think, so you might find it for a better price, but it's definitely worth it. If you guys found the video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below. Peace.